Hello, welcome to All Nanashe Academy. Today we are going to learn a chapter from science named Force and Motion. A boy push a toy car, a man pull a bag. Are these people applying any force? Yes, these people are applying force. Now learn what is force. Force is defined as a push or pull exerted on a body. Force can make an object to start move, change the speed of a moving object, or change the shape of the object. A force can also change the velocity of an object. SI unit of force is Newton. It is on the name of eminent scientist Isaac Newton. We can measure force with the help of a spring balance. Here, a boy kicked the football, a cricketer hit the ball and changed the speed of the ball, a girl blow the balloon. There are different kinds of force. Let's learn types of force. First one, gravitational force. Second is frictional force. Third is compression force. Fourth is stretching force. Fifth is magnetic force. Now learn one by one. First one, gravitational force. The force by which an object is attracted toward the center of the earth is called gravitational force. For example, a fruit fall down from a tree, rain fall down on earth, etc. Second is magnetic force. The force by which magnets attract or repel objects is called magnetic force. For example, magnetic door locks, magnetic trains, etc. Third is frictional force. The force slow down a moving object or oppose the motion is called frictional force. For example, a toy is rolled on the ground, slow down due to the friction between the toy and the ground. Slow down of ball in cricket ground. Compression force. The force exerted when you push an object downward is called the compression force. For example, pushing a spring downward or shockers in vehicles. Now, stretching force. The force exerted when you pull an object is called stretching force. For example, stretching of elastic or a spring. Now, weight. The force by which a body is attracted toward the earth is called weight. The SI unit of weight is kg. In our solar system, each planet will show a different weight for the same object because the planets are exerting the different force of attraction. We all know that mass is the exclusive property of matter, but due to the action of gravity, weight is different on different planets. The formula of weight is equal to m into g, where w is the weight of the body, m is the mass of the body, and g is the gravity of the planet. Let's explain with the help of an example. Now suppose the mass of a body is 100 kg. Gravity on earth is 9.8. Therefore, weight of the object on earth is 100 into 9.8 and weight of the object on earth is 980 kg. Now, gravity on moon is 1.62. Weight of the object on the moon is 100 into 1.62 and it is 162 kg. Therefore, weight of an object is depend upon the gravity. Higher the gravity means higher the weight. Now, let's learn work. Work is defined as a process by which energy is transferred from one object to another object. It is the application of force on an object that causes the object to move through a certain distance. For example, to carry a school bag, to push a car, etc. The SI unit of work is joule. Now, learn motion. When a body is continuously changing its position with respect to the surrounding, we call that body is in motion. Our daily activities like walking, running, closing the door, etc. involves motion. For example, running of bus, swimming of fish, or racing of car. One thing should be kept in mind that in physics, motion is applicable to only rigid objects. Types of motion. First one is rotational motion. Second is linear motion. Third is periodic motion. Fourth is oscillatory motion. Fifth is curvilinear motion. And sixth is random motion. Let's learn one by one. First we take rotational motion. When a body moves in a circle about an axis is said to be in rotational motion. For example, rotation of a planet around its axis, rotation of a top, rotation of fan, rotation of hand blender's blade, rotation of a wheel. Second is linear motion. When a body moves in a straight line is called linear motion. For example, a bus moving on a straight highway, a bullet fired from pistol, object dropped from a certain height, etc. Third is periodic motion. A motion that is repeated at equal interval of time is called periodic motion. For example, laps covered by a racer car, motion of a pendulum clock, a rocking chair, a bouncing ball, a vibrating tuning fork, a swing in motion, the earth in its orbit around the sun, etc. Fourth one is oscillatory motion. The to and fro movement of a body is called oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is a type of periodic motion. For example, tuning fork, seesaw swing, etc. Fifth is curvilinear motion, a motion in which a body moves in a curve. For example, stone thrown into the air at an angle or throwing paper airplane, etc. Sixth is random motion. When an object in motion has no specific path and moves in a zigzag way is called random motion. For example, kite flying in air or movement of fish underwater, etc. Now recap, let's revise what we learned today in this video. First one, force is defined as a push or pull exerted on a body. SI unit of force is Newton. Second one, the force by which an object is attracted toward the center of the earth is called gravitational force. Third one, the force by which magnet attract or repel objects is called magnetic force. Fourth one, the force slow down a moving object or oppose the motion is called frictional force. Fifth one, the force exerted when you push an object downward is called compression force. Sixth one, the force exerted when you pull an object is called stretching force. Seventh, when a body is continuously change its position with respect to its surrounding is called motion. When a body moves in a circle about its axis is called rotational motion. When a body moves in a straight line is called straight motion. A motion that is repeated at equal interval of time is called periodic motion. The to and fro movement of a body is called oscillatory motion. Last point, when an object in motion has no specific path and moves in a zigzag way is called random motion. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Bye bye.